So I'm going to go over to my applications and create our Alturo Mutual application. I'm going to leave it in the default asset group, and I might crank the business impact up to high because this will be a very important application of my business. I can fill out these other application details if I want to have more control and more metadata around the application itself. This does help AppScan create a more accurate risk rating based on the types of things that you tell us about the application, so that can be helpful. But what I really need to do is just specify a name and an asset group and a business impact, and I'll click create.